Welcome back everyone to another special edition today. There is no cooking, it's all about a technique. So I'm going to show you something special. It is a sashimi. Sashimi is a very popular dish originating in Japan, and through the 90s and 2000s it's found its way all over the world, especially in Europe and North America. And now you go to any restaurant that's good or a fine dining place, you will find sashimi or some sort of it on the menu. So it's very simple what we do here. So the first step is to source a high quality sashimi grade fish. I'm using salmon today, and this is a salmon loin that's sashimi grade. It has been just flown in from Norway last night, so it's an excellent cut of fish. And that's the first part. Second part is the slicing technique. You want to make sure you slice against the grain, and you want to use a very sharp knife. I have my Japanese knife over here. That's what I'll be using. So with these two in place, the right quality of fish and the right cutting tool, you should be able to do sashimi at home. So let's get started. I hold the fish gently, don't press down on it too firm, and you want to get about a centimeter thick section. And you don't want to go back and forth with the knife, that's going to ruin the fish. So you try and, as soon as you get a slit, try and get it out in one piece. So what you'll see is a nice little section like that. So we continue doing that. Now when I first started eating sashimi, I wasn't a big fan, to be honest. The idea of eating raw fish was very alien to me, and I figured I would never try it. But once you try it, I can guarantee you there's no going back. So here I just want to show you a few slices. I'll finish off the rest shortly. And what this is traditionally served with is some soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce here today just to keep it a bit healthy. And I have some wasabi. If you have fresh wasabi root, nothing like it, you grate it fresh, but that's hard to come by. So we're using just the wasabi paste that is store-bought. And of course some gari. Gari is pickled Japanese ginger. These are the three accompaniments that go with sashimi, with most sushis. And the combination of all this just gives you a nice umami flavor, extremely healthy for you. So do try this technique at home and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.